Hi, this is Candace here, and I'm coming to you today with an unboxing from Amazon. I want to thank you if you're new, and I want to thank you if you're returning. I want you to stop and smash that like button for you, girl. Thank you. So, it says tear here. They always say tear here, like, oh, it never works me. 4 pieces decorative crown. These are my incense for my car. I'm so happy for my car. So happy. These are incense. Four pieces come, and I bought tiaras. Isn't that pretty? These are going to be in my car. So right here is where the air freshener goes, and back here, I'm going to show you. This is the piece that goes into my air vent. So what I'm going to do is, in the back of it, this slides in there like this, and this goes into the air vent, and this is the freshener. These are the fresheners. The flavor is Platinum Shower. I guess that's the scent. Ooh, it smells delicious. Not delicious, it smells amazing, calm and soothing, fresh. So you see the top of it right there. I'm going to turn it around, and I'm going to put it in there. And voila, you see it in there? This is my air freshener. Yay, I'm happy that came. Oh, I can rip it now. Here. See, it gives me issues like this. See, it never came off that smooth. I know I'm not crazy. See, look how hard it is now. Stop. I'm not about to sit here. Maybe if I just cut it like a little bit. Just cut it a little bit. Yeah. Oh, this is a book. This is my next book club reading book. It's One by One by Ruth Ware. This is, I think it's invoking the snowy seclusion in a dark, dark wood. Deluxe environs of the woman in cabin 10 and the cutting edge technology. The turn of a key. This highly anticipated sixth novel is Ruth Ware at the top of her game. Yeah, so it's a female author. This is her. And it tells you a little bit about her. So, yeah, this is what the books look like. This is what the book looks like. Yeah, I have to get started on this because our next book meeting is Monday at 7. This is my keychain. This was actually one of the tattoos I was gonna get. Well, a crown of one of the tattoos I was gonna get. But I like the other one because the other tattoo that I got because of the swirly lines. It was I'm running up between this one. This is my keychain. It's a crown. This is so pretty. But it still came with like a and come on nothing else. Well, that's it. I love this. Can't wait to put my car key on it. This concludes my unboxing. Thanks for watching. Bye.